Disneyland Paris.
Spotlight Blazer Blast.
In the crowded rain.
Oh.
So the question is what things are cooler about Disneyland Paris than Disney in the United States?
The walking around things are much cooler looking. The Crush Coaster is awesome. It's a Ratatouille ride. It's a whole Toy Story land.
European crowd at Disney.
9:40. All lines. It opens at 10.
Oh yeah, the line. It opens at 10 officially, but unofficially it's actually 9:30.
This is like the best ride ever.
It's one of the best rides in all of Disney.
Yeah. Love this ride.
It's the Crush Coaster.
Crush's Coaster.
Crush's Coaster. Funny thing is, Rock and Roller Coaster most of the day is under 15 or 20 minutes. Almost all day long, Rock and Roller Coaster is empty. This one is
all day long, above 60.
This was always like 90 minutes all day long.
And the French exaggerated the line. It's so pretty.
And there's also no fast passes for this ride. Ridiculous. No, everyone gets this experience. Every couple hours this ride breaks.
But not right next to the beginning of the ride.
What?
So lucky, you know, we could have been sitting right there. We were right there.
We're right there.
Please go past
Here we go, Indiana Jones.
And there's actual friends.
There's actual friends. Go underwater.
It goes
under
the water.
There you go, under the water.
No, we don't.
Can I ride with you?
We don't need to know out of here, there, bro.
See? We're on the line over here, but look over there. How do you get over there? The tunnels that go underwater and take you up over it.
Yeah, they really do. They take
Big Thunder goes underwater here.
That's the best part.
Yeah, and you go down.
So
you go down.
You go down, you're underwater, you're like, what's going on? Dad, the camera.
Yeah, you don't know what's
so dark.
It's so dark.
There's long periods of darkness.
It's like,
That's where you're underwater.
There's bats hanging in the ceiling too.
it's like what?
That was cool.
I love that ride.
That's actually 10 times better than the ride at Disneyland or Disney World. That is much better.
Awesome.
All right, now let's do Phantom Manor. Phantom Manor.
The laughter we're getting is really
15 minutes. You cannot say no to a 15-minute ride today. There's only 4 rides all day.
15 minutes?
Yeah.
Yes.
Awesome. I'm with Mom.
I'm going with Dad. She's scared. I'm going with Dad.
to socialize.
What was the point of the old saloon?
I don't know.
However, the wolf,
The lady
was scary.
The lady sitting there singing, and the guy who's playing the piano in the old saloon.
Like, what is that?
What? Why is that inside a house?
Why is that scary?
Why is it scary?
By saying, no sense. Like, are they zombies or?
There's just a lady sitting there singing, and people playing cards, and you can buy tickets to the old saloon. That was super scary.
Attention sur Crash Coaster, mise sous tension en mode normal immédiate. Attention on Crash Coaster, power up and on mode immediately.
Yay! Well, I don't know what that meant, but...
Wait, the ride's starting again?
What are you good for? What's your French training good for if you can't understand when a ride is broken?
I don't.
You need to go back to your school and say, teach me the words for when a ride gets broken at Disney World.
You can go to Le Ventre de la Terre, the stomach of the earth. I think. I don't know.
Ride today.
Is it soir already? It's
Bonsoir.
evening. He said bonsoir, that means it's evening. Oh
It is
no,
evening
it's
already.
evening.
Son armée de robots est en train de voler les générateurs à cristaux fusion. Sans ces générateurs, nous serons tous privés d'énergie et à la merci de Sœur.
Ready for this? We're gonna ride Hyperspace, Star Tours, Mountain, Space, Star Wars.
It's Hyperspace Mountain.
It should have been Space Mountain 2. Sorry, Space Mountain.
Nice stuff.
It has to be Hyperspace Mountain 2.
Yes, part 2. The Revenge. It's open! Let's do the Star Wars
running.
happy super space happy time.
No, it's Space Time Adventure Fun Time.
Space Adventure Fun. Space Adventure Fun Time.
Change the name of Star Wars to Space Adventure Fun Times.
Space Adventure Fun Time Mountain. That's the last part.
This is our first time going on the Star Wars version of Space Mountain in Disneyland Paris.
Good idea, Mom.
Oh yeah. I don't get it. Every other ride is super long, but Space Mountain is only 15 minutes.
I think it's the upside down the juice I don't like.
Upside down 3 times.
Yeah, baby.
Chassez l'ennemi en approche. Je suis touché.
Way too many teenagers. It's like they're not even trying. It's all in French. There's no translation. I forget it. We're not gonna do any English in this ride. We're in France. We're gonna do French. I still think that's 10 times better than the other Space Mountain.
Space Mountain, hands down, better than everything else.
Better than the other Space Mountains.
Because you don't go upside down the other Space Mountain.
Oh, they do have a full American one.
Yeah, it's super cool. I love the American one.
There's no American one in the U.S.
And it's really big too. Canada's the last.
Yeah, look how big the American one is. We got Native Americans.
Canada on the left.
Whoa, that's a lot of ice skating. The goal's over there. Wow, look like they even have, oh my gosh, even at Hollywood.
Look at that.
Yeah, the farmers.
That's not a bad, is it?
That is.
Yeah, the scenery. Oh, look at the Golden Gate Bridge.
Yeah, yeah, Hollywood.
And
Statue of Liberty. You got a football player.
baseball. Wow.
Where's the basketball?
Just a note, don't come here when it's cold and rainy. It's not fun.
Just half the year.
Yep, so don't show up at all to Disney Paris. Come in the summertime when it's nice and warm. Sometimes warm. It's Paris, it's always raining. Don't come to Paris.
What the thing about Disney is that all they care about is Star Wars now. It's just Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars, Star Wars.